happy to have Coach B back with us from Capital Financial to help us plan for a comfortable retirement. Thank you for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So today we are going to talk about annuities. And you know my knowledge of annuities is very basic. It involves a jingle. I won't sing it. So first off, what is an annuity? Because there are different types.
Well, a simple way to look at annuity is a savings account offered by an insurance company. It goes back to the Roman days when the Roman soldiers would go out fighting. Some of them wouldn't come back. So they leave the money with a special banker type person in the neighborhood or in the village. So if they didn't come back, that person would give a monthly stream of income to their next of kin, to their wife or whatever, their children, for the rest of their lives. That's where annuity came from.
Okay, so smart. And then there are different kinds of annuities. So tell me a little bit about the basic kinds.
I call it annuity soup, almost annuity gumbo. There's way too many annuities out there.
Wow.
All right, there's four basic kinds, though: variable, fixed indexed, and just a term annuity that'll pay you a certain term of a certain amount of money for a certain term. So let's look at the variable annuity first, because I absolutely hate those.
Okay.
All right, because annuities are supposed to be safe by nature. You put the money in, you're not supposed to worry about it. Variable annuity, you put it in, it could go up, down, all around, and a lot of dirty tricks in there. A lot of fees. I call financial termites hidden in there too.
Oh, wow.
I've never offered a variable annuity in 28.5 years.
Okay, so definitely a red flag. Variable annuity is a big no for you.
They may be a good fit for somebody, but they have to be sold, not bought. In other words, you don't really need it until someone sells it to you. And I don't like financial products like that.
Okay, so which kind of annuities do you prefer?
Yeah.
Because obviously you want the ones that are going to have a little risk, but not too much.
Well, there's a fix that'll give you a certain term, like a CD at a bank for a certain amount of interest rate for a certain term, and those are okay. But I like the fixed indexed annuities that are special hybrid ones that tie your return to the upside of the market. You don't get all the market return, but you get to share in the gains when the market goes up. Now, here's the good thing: does the market always go up? So when the market goes down, you don't lose what you've already gained.
Okay,
so that's why you basically lock in your gains every year. If there's no gain, you got a zero. You didn't lose money, though, because if you were in the stock market, you would have lost money. So I call that the growth. But we also need protection. It's protected from the financial termites. No fees, no commissions, and no dirty tricks in there. And then the most important part, lifetime income. You can get a lifetime income. When you choose to activate this, which you will know ahead of time what that income will be at the minimum, could always be more than that. And once you start getting that income, even if your balance goes down to zero, you continue to get that income. Now, one more thing. On some of the annuities out there, if you go to a long-term care place, like we hear people go into long-term care, it'll double the amount of income you're getting for up to 5 years. That's not long-term care insurance, but it sure helps when that time comes. So there's a lot of confusion out there. I wrote about it in my book, The 7 Baby Steps. Also wrote about it in my book, Fine Print Fiasco, what they don't want you to know when you buy, borrow, and invest. So if people want to get a review, if they have an annuity, we can, like if someone's out there saying, hey, I've got an annuity, I don't know what I have, we do an annuity review, and we can also rescue you out of the bad annuity. If you don't have that lifetime income stream, if you don't have that protection and growth, you really need to get a review.
Absolutely.
So we'll give that for the next 10 people. We'll give them a book set of 3 of the books I've written, as well as that total review and a total retirement plan, making sure that everyone out there understands annuities.
Very exciting. We do appreciate you being here and sharing all this information. You are truly an expert on the subject. I've learned a lot today. Guys, if you would like to receive a free personal strategy system or want to learn more about annuities, text CBS 17 to 21000 or call 888-991-9001.